Thanks for joining Meldrum Makerspace.
Today we're making peanut butter! So, I actually don't know how to make peanut butter. How do we make peanut butter? Peanuts. Isn't that one of the ingredients?
Peanuts. The only ingredient that we're using.
Besides a blender, but I don't think that's an ingredient. We're gonna make peanut butter in the blender. Let's do it! Oh, I got it.
It's like a bear got in those peanuts.
Oh wait, it smells like greases. It smells like peanut butter. You smell it, Dad. Doesn't it smell like peanut butter?
It smells like peanuts.
It smells like peanut butter.
Oh. Yeah, it smells like peanut butter.
Okay, so we poured 1.5 cups of peanuts in the blender, and now we're gonna blend it. It's all like shaving. It's already like peanut butter, except with like. Wait, I think we completed the mission. It looks like peanut butter. It smells like peanut butter.
Sorry.
What?
Okay, what?
I'm saying it feels red.
Yep. Take a little.
It was warm. Ew, it's warm. Tastes like peanut butter. Peanut butter time. Wanna try peanut butter?
In a minute, yeah. Sorry, I promised him chocolate if he let me reach him with Coke.
Again.
Hey, buddy, you like peanut butter?
No.
Come here.
No.
Come here.
Please. 2.
1, 2, 3.
All right, hey.
Try peanut butter.
This is the best way. Yeah, pull some out.
Can you see it? No, we already did
Yes,
it.
I know. Pull some out.
Oh, wait, what is that?
Peanut butter and chocolate. That's good.
Good peanut butter?
No.
Mom's tongue is in the way.
Warm.
I know, I don't like it warm.
We should make some homemade greases with it.
Got it? You see it? Close up?
Oh.
What? You guys ate my cookies?
Yeah, there wasn't that much. Okay, you're out of focus. We made peanut butter, and it was just peanut butter in 30 seconds.
Okay. Ready? You do the outro. I'll just be here for moral support.
Thank you for joining us today on Meldrum Makerspace, where we made peanut butter from peanuts in the blender. So join us next time when we make something else, or we do another fun video, or a fun event happens into our life. That's Meldrum Makerspace. Hit the old subscribe button, hit the old like button, hit the old comment button, and subscribe, share, and continue to watch our videos. Okay, we're gonna go eat this peanut butter. Bye.
How you doing? Imagine, no, me going like this, we'll make a peanut butter. Hey guys, welcome to Meldrum Makerspace. Today we're making peanut butter.
What was that?
Hey guys, welcome to Meldrum Makerspace. We're making peanut butter.